So for this warm up, what you need to, we're gonna do this together. I wouldn't expect for you to do this on your own. So I would explain how to do it. So it says coins are usually stamped with the year and location of the mint where they were made. D represents the mint in Denver, Colorado, and a blank or P represents the mint in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Diego has a yard containing 36 coins. Select a sample of 5 coins by rolling your number cube once to represent the row and rolling again to find the column. Just to, rows are horizontal, columns are vertical. For example, rolling a 3 and then a 5 will represent selecting the coin mark 2000p. Repeat this process to collect a sample of 5 coins. Okay, so if I roll a dice and then it's a 3 and then a 5, then it will go here. You will have to put this in front of you. So a 3 will be the row and the 5 will be the column. So for that particular roll, it will be 2000p. And then you will write it on the table provided. All right, so let's go here, and I need you to go to this website. If you have a dice, you can use it, but I don't even have a dice. I don't know where it is, but this is online, so you can just use it here. So I'm gonna roll the first one. So that's a 6, and then I'm gonna roll it again. That would be my column, and I'm sorry, that would be my row, and then 4 will be my column. So the number is 64. So I will go here, and then I will see 6 and 4. So right here, the number will be P 2013. So that will be my sample number 1. And I will put it right here. Okay, as you can see, I did all of them, so I will explain what these are. So please don't copy mine, and I'm warning you, if you don't do the warm-up, if you don't do this warm-up, you will struggle throughout the entire lesson, because the warm-up is the starting of the activity of the entire lesson. So don't copy my numbers, because these were randomly selected, okay? If you decide not to do it and just watch it and say, I'm not gonna do it, whatever. All right, I just warned you, don't do it if you don't want to, but the whole lesson depends on this. So you have to go back and do it. You're gonna have, you need to do this 15 times, okay? And then once you are done with your rolling of the dice and just writing the numbers, come back. All right, so hopefully you fill this portion out only. Don't look at these numbers, okay? I will explain to you how I got these numbers. So let's say that you are done completely here. Now you want to know what's the sample mean. So remember mean, and let me write this here. Mean means average, okay? The mean means average. So what we're gonna do is that we are going to add all these years, okay? 2008 plus 2005. These are my numbers. So don't copy mine. You have to create your own, because it's not gonna be the same. So when you add this up and you divide, because remember it's the average, right? The total number divided by the number of data you have. So I have 5 samples. So when I divided all the sum by the samples, which are 5, I got 2011.4. Now, the sample proportion minted in Denver, remember D means Denver, and then the P was for Pennsylvania. Was Philadelphia? Oh, well, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It's, yeah, the state and the capital. Anyways. So you're gonna divide, okay? Look at how many are D in this one, and then you're gonna divide them by the total number of samples you had in the first one, right? Sample 1 means these. So it will be 2 divided by 5. And you can use either the calculator from here or your phone calculator, whatever you have. And that will give you 0.40, okay? So that's how you're getting these numbers. And that's all you have to do for the do now. That's it. That's all you have to do. So go ahead and finish it. Do not copy my numbers because my numbers are not off, but they're just randomly selected. So go ahead and go here, okay? Roll again. So that's a 2 and a 4. So I go back here. So a 2 and a 4, that will be P 2010. So I will write it down right here. And that's all. That's all. You have to do that 15 times and then find the average mean, the sample mean, and the sample proportion.